move into a house where you can't have more control. Whoa, hello. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and I wanted to share with you a little story that I got via email of a woman who watched my videos and became a doTERRA wellness advocate. Okay, how about that? It was with a different team, but you know, I still show love for the family, for the oil family, so you know, it's cool, it's cool. There's some other stuff in here that happened, so I wanted to share that with you. Alright, so she started off the email with, I totally love your vids and find them very educational and are a strong reason to why I became a consultant for doTERRA. Awesome. Cool. Love to hear that. The LLV has changed my life. 3 exclamation points. Okay. And so have a couple of other doTERRA products. But I seen today's vid and you made a comment on taking a bath every day. Unfortunately, I can't take one every day because as soon as I get out, I'm in pain and discomfort from the water. I'm allergic from the chemicals they put in the shower water. In my family, both my sons and sister have the same problems. It would be great to get this problem taken care of, also from the company I love best. Tried for many years, through many doctors, but never any answers. Have a blessed day. So cool. Alright, so I got that and I was like, alright, you know, let's give a response. She took the time and I appreciate that to write an email. So here we go. I said thank you for watching my videos because that's awesome. I put a lot of time and effort and editing and posting and writing descriptions and all that stuff. So I appreciate when people watch my videos. Thank you for watching. I then said, have you thought of using a whole home water filtration system similar to the one below? So I have basically like a link there. So yeah, it went to Home Depot. You know, it's an option, right? And I said this could help with making sure the water you shower and bathe with is of reverse osmosis or pure quality. So that was just kind of like my response back to kind of just see if we can address the root cause of what's going on, which is the water quality, it sounds like. She said, we rent and almost $2,000 is a bit much. Not a bad idea, just not in the cards at the moment. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I then said, makes sense. It's a solution to keep in mind for a future home, or could be explored with who you rent from if they are open to it. That's right. So it's not just let's shut down the idea because yeah, it costs too much and we rent. But it's like, hold on, if we ask the person, let's see if they're open to that, especially if you're a long-term renter and you have a relationship with the person you're renting from or the company you're renting from. Or, you know, there are other options. There's always lots of options. It's just kind of being able to think about it or talk to somebody who can help present those to you. So that's what I was trying to do. And then she said, true, someday. Any ideas for oils in and out of the water? So now she's like, hey, I want the company, doTERRA, to basically resolve what I'm going through, not address the water quality. So anyway, she says, so my darling. Oh. We on terms of endearment now. Okay, hey, calm down. I know you was. She said, do you know of any oils to be used in the shower and out to avoid my problem? I would love to gift my sister with the solution. And the best mom in the world to my 2 boys. Thank God my daughters were not blessed with this problem. I don't know if blessed was the word, but I get what she's saying. I get you. I said the best water solution for the shower starts before it hits your skin. Okay, so this is where I just keep it real, alright? Because this is my second email to her, so you know I'm just gonna keep it real. And I said, with the filtration system in previous email. So that is really addressing really what's going on, okay? I said, as for your body before or after the shower, the oils below could help with detox and cleansing, but a supplement and nutrition protocol would be ideal. And then there's some links here that I give, 3 links. They'll be in the description so you can check those out. They're just of products, right? Because she's already enrolled with somebody else, I'm keeping this in mind as well, right? I'm just trying to get her pointed in the right direction and give her some resources that are for free, right? So my goal is to try to help her if she wants to be helped in specifically that way. So there's free videos, there's products that she could use before or after the shower, and then also with the water part. And there's even, I mean, you could even say, well, I could use fresh or clean water and take baths, right? Just put the water in there. It's not ideal, it's manual, like, because you're not taking it from a spigot. But if you have, I'm talking about like water jugs, right? I know it sounds kind of old school, but okay, people had to get water from water wells back in the day, you know what I'm saying? So like, if your skin is going to do all that, then you got to explore all the options. I'm not saying that's #1 option, you know, taking 50 water jugs and putting it in a bathtub, or however many water jugs, right? But I'm just saying that's one more option. Maybe there's plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and that's maybe plan D. I don't know. I'm just saying. And I said, hope you have a great day. Because I was like, that's probably the end of it, right? It wasn't. She said, I get that totally. So I see Zendocrine as a detox, but IA on LLV. That's what she said. I think she just says I am on. Maybe that's probably I am on LLV. Should I add this? And then here's the keep it real moment, okay? Because I said what I usually do with wholesale members looking for more support is schedule a paid coaching call if their enroller is not able to help them directly. If you're open to that, let me know. So what's my intent behind that? Well, number one, she's already enrolled with somebody else. This is something that I would give more information to my clients or wholesale customers or wellness advocates on my team, but because she's not, there needs to be a value exchange, right? I'm giving her information. So in exchange at some point, it would make sense to have a paid coaching call because I'm basically spending time with her instead of my own customers, wellness advocates, or other endeavors. So that's the reason why. I love giving away information. I do so on all my videos. I have 1,300 plus videos on YouTube, so I'm totally okay with giving away free information. But at some point, there needs to be a value exchange, is what I'm saying. She then says, this is interesting. She says, no thanks. Actually, I'm an advocate reaching out for more help on this problem. And I was actually already aware of that. That's why I said you either work with your enroller on whatever questions you have, because if you chose them, then you should continue to choose them as your source of information and support. But if you choose not to, then I'm not here to cross-line recruit or do anything, take you from them, but a paid coaching call would make sense for the value exchange at some point. And this is the point that I'm basically drawing the line in the sand. Okay, so you gotta have boundaries, right? Healthy boundaries with people, because time is money, and you only have a limited amount of time, and you can't get it back here on Earth. All right, so she says, just a heads up, I did find the name of the problem. It's called idiopathic aquagenic pruritus. Okay, I'm going to try a beta blocker and menthol and camphor. Okay. I know you do vids on many things, so you can use this info if you want to help other people with this problem, since it's not just localized to people using their home showering water. Alright, I said no worries, thanks for the heads up, and have a great night. And that was it. Alright, so what's the lesson learned? Well, I love helping people and giving out free content. Clearly I do that on YouTube. However, at some point I have to draw the line when people want more personalized support. We're charging for my time in a coaching capacity, especially people from other doTERRA teams or organizations, makes sense because it starts taking away from my other income generating activities. And time is money, and time is the only resource you can't get back once it's spent. Okay, so that's the learning lesson, right? And I'm not trying to say that I'm trying to be cold or calloused to her. She ended up finding a solution for herself. We'll see if it works. I don't know. But the point is we're able to kind of tease that solution out. Could she have come to it on her own? Maybe. I may be more researching, Googling, YouTube searching. Eventually, she might come across an article, a blog, a video, whatever it is. Our conversation maybe giving her some ideas. I'm not sure. Seems like she wasn't interested or had the mindset of, okay, I understand I'm on a different team. It makes sense to pay for a coaching call. You pay mechanics to help fix your car. You pay doctors, dentists, lawyers who are specialized people to help you with something specific. And if it's because they're professionals, right? So if I'm a network marketing professional, then I would charge for my time to another either wholesale customer or professional if they're not on my team, because that is how professionals get compensated for their time. So, and that time would be paid up front, right? And then if they wanted to extend, that also would be paid for. So that's what's offered. That's the dealio. Otherwise, she's got her enroller, which is what I would recommend anyway as number one option. She has Google search, YouTube search, and my videos. So there's 4 other ways besides paid coaching with Lance, and I recommend these. This is not my first option, paid coaching call with Lance. This is like option 5. Like, I'd rather you work through your enroller and work through the other stuff before you come to me, because then you're taking more ownership and personal responsibility and accountability for helping yourself. And she did. She ended up finding something that she wanted to go with. Again, I don't know if it's going to work or not. I hope it does, right? But if it doesn't, boom, she's got those options too. Maybe she watches this video, maybe not. find something else that works. Maybe gets that filtration system, or maybe ask her renter or move into a house where you can have more control. Whoa, hello. Okay, anyways, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.